Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Live channel. In today's video I thought I'd give you a quick update on the Sprinter and how the build going. Now as you can see, we're at camp here. This is the Sprinter's first outing on a trip as a camper, and so far it's been fantastic. This is our last morning, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to make a video while I could. I'll give you a quick tour of the camp first, just so you guys know what's going on. So obviously we've got the Sprinter here, we've got Otto's sister Mitzi, and we've got Bob. He's the rescue Sprinter, the rescue pointer even. We've got Mrs. DL on the bacon, making the breakfast sandwiches. We've got my parents here, and their bus as well, which is a Volkswagen T25. Quite a cool thing. It's got 1.9 PD engine swap, with a homemade turbocharger as well, so that's quite a cool thing. It kept up with the Sprinter on the motorway, so yeah, pretty nice. And it's just had a new canvas top on it as well. Had a little top repainted, as you can see. Needs some painting on the front, but we've had this since I was 9, so it's a member of the family really. But yeah, so let's take a look at the Sprinter. What do you think of the Sprinter? Is that my bacon sandwich?
Yeah.
Thank you, Danny. Thank you very much. So let's start off out the back, because this is where we've done the most modification. It's locked at the moment. For those of you who don't know, it's a 2013 Mercedes Sprinter. It's the 213 with a 2.1 litre diesel engine. It's been an absolute tank. It's about 140 brake horsepower. Here's Otto. Hello, my boy. And for those of you worried about the temperature in here, we've got some serious fans, but I'll talk you through that in a minute. So we've had this for just over 7 weeks. We've been slowly converting it. We're working full time, so it's not finished yet, but we couldn't resist taking it out for a first go. So as you see underneath here, we have a lot of messy wires at the moment. Ottie's just trying to get out. Wait there, boy. So we've gone with a Renogy solar kit with 2 self-heating lithium batteries, because we want to do some long-term or long-distance trips up into the Arctic Circle. And lithium batteries don't work below 0 degrees. So then that's connected to a solar charger. Got our fuse box here, and then we've got our 2000 watt inverter as well for charging sort of 3-pin plug items. Now in terms of the wiring, we've got everything wired in. I don't know if you guys can see that there, and you can see the labels, but currently we've only got lights, ceiling lights, and the fans working. That's as far as we've got so far. You may be able to see over there a mess of wires, and over there you'll be able to see, I'm not sure you can't see it, but we've got a light switch up there which does these 2 rear lights, and then we've also got a light switch at the front which is currently dangling off of here, there, which does the 4 lights at the front, so you can have sort of bed lighting and just the standard rear lights, the front lights as well. We've got our bed here, custom made a bed frame, mounted on some IKEA bed slats. You can see here still all insulated. We haven't actually cladded this part yet, because it's going to be a different type of cladding to this, and we need to plumb the water system in as well, so we want to have the options to do that. And then yeah, you can see that we've cladded all alongside this dark wood here. Now all this wood is actually recycled. We got it for free from work as pallets, and then me and Mrs. DL spent days ripping it all apart into nice usable planks, and then she sanded and stained them. So yeah, it is, as you can see, gives a really nice effect in here. It's really cozy, and with these fans as well, despite the fact that it's 25 degrees outside, it is lovely and warm. So yeah, we cruised down here. It's probably about 100 miles from Drive Life HQ, and cruised over in the Sprinter, And this cab is such a comfortable place to be. This engine, 150 brake horsepower, is just nice and easy. Don't know what that little kid's doing there. Cruise at sort of 65, 70 miles an hour on the motorway, and it's just perfectly comfortable. We did about 39 to the gallon on the way down, which is pretty good for something this size. You can't really beat it. We don't have aircon on this model, so it was a little warm, but actually the fans in the back you can use when you're driving, and then they're Max Air Fan Deluxes, and this is the remote for them. Down here fits perfectly, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, this thing has just made camping so easy. I've actually really enjoyed it. I think it's the first time I've ever been camping where I haven't woken up tired. The mattress we've gone for, you have to excuse the mess because we're just packing up, is memory foam temper mattress that we've cut down, so it is, yeah, incredibly comfortable. But once, obviously I'll be giving you guys a full tour once this is finished, but it's sort of an update and the first trip. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Cheers.